This product is called the jump belt. It's pretty easy to use relative to the jump vest. The jump vest goes over the top of your shoulders, providing pull from the shoulder position. Sometimes it's a lot easier just to have the pull come from your waist, and this is what that jump belt is. Simple side release buckle. You press this together, it pops out. There's two rings that are on some straps that'll swivel to the right hip position. All you do is put this belt on above your hips and secure it tightly in place. Okay? Once again, we have these two rings. They should be over the hip. You should move one to this position and one to this position. That's all it is. You can swivel a little bit to the left and right when you're doing it in your application, but generally speaking, you'd be jumping from this position. Now you might want to ask why they're on a swivel. They're on a swivel because you have different waist sizes. If you have a really skinny person, then you want to adjust them to the right size. If you have a bigger person, then they need to be in a different location. Okay? You might also want to ask why in the world is it sewn this direction? It's because it keeps the belt from spinning or turning on you. It gives you nice two locations, very versatile for different size athletes. Now, how do you connect your slastics to this? I happen to have some slastics here. Very simple. You just clip them in place here and clip this one in place there. Once you've clipped them into place, then you'd connect them to an anchoring position, let's say a stack of weights, some dumbbells, some other type of framework that you have in place. Once again, when you're using any type of jump product, or even with any slastics product, make sure that you have enough elastic range of motion so that when you jump, you don't max out or hit the sleeve. If you've hit the sleeve, when the sleeve fully engages, meaning if I jump really high, the sleeve might max out, and if that's the case, then I need to allow for greater movement, maybe some longer elastics could be used, or else bring the weights or anchoring positions closer. Sometimes when you're jumping exercises, you might want to move to the left or to the right. When you do that, make sure that after you've anchored your slastics into position, you do your full range of motion without high acceleration and high impact. Therefore, you know that you're not going to ever max out the sleeve in your application. Now, with the jump belt, it's a lot easier to get into than the jump vest. The jump vest has the shoulder harnesses. This way, you can quickly change athletes. I jump out, the next athlete comes in. All they have to do is clip on the belt, pull it tight, and they're good to go. So there's the jump belt. You might also want to check the jump vest to see if that's a better solution for your application.